Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another haul, and this one is from Craftstash. But before I just jump right in, I'm going to just say hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hope you stick along and stay for the ride. If you're an old person that's been around, not old in age, but an old follower, thanks for your love and support. So anyway, I just wanted to just jump on and just show you some of the things that I got from Craftstash from Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin, and they were on sale when I got them. And let's see. So I was so mad because the postal service sent my mail all ripped up, which I haven't been getting mail. I don't know if anybody else is having issues, but like it's weird to go to the mailbox and it's empty like every day for over a week. It seems so bizarre. And finally today I had a whole bunch of stuff in there. I was like, yeah, something's up. I know y'all was holding my mail or something. I don't know. But apparently I'm not the only one. But anyway, you guys have seen this before. It is the camera box die. It's dimensional, nice big camera box. So I got that. It was on sale. Excuse me. And this is a 40-piece set. And what I was disappointed about though was the bag is burst open. So I'm gonna have to make sure all 40 pieces, and like I said, the package was burst open, are in there. So I'm gonna do that off camera. But that is that. Then with that, they had a package, but I bought them separate because it was actually cheaper than getting the package. But I bought the shutter box die set, which actually, you know, like when you click the shutter, it moves. So you can do that on the center part of this right here on the shutter of the camera. And you know, I love photography, so that's going to be perfect. You could also use this aperture on a card or something, so you don't have to just use it onto the 3D camera. But of course I'm going to try it that way first. And then I got this to go with that set. And this is the mini album that fits inside of the camera because it's a 3D box that opens up. And you have a camera in here. And I'll have to check all of my dies. Okay, so this one isn't open, yay, so it looks like maybe it's going to be in there. But that's the set, it says snapshot. I did get one stamp set. I bought the dies previously to this, and they were out for a couple of months, and so finally I went back. Now I have the stamps to go with the die set. So that is pretty cool. And then I ended up picking up this stamp set. It's 24 pieces. And I love this about the stamp set is because it has so many nice sentiments. It says special day, shopaholic, on your best friend, likes makeup action, smart and sassy, I love you as much as lipstick, and that's a lot. Birthday, kindness is always in fashion, be as bold as your lipstick, girls just want to have fun, be the girl who decided to go for it, less makeup, hello fabulous, 2A, oh you don't look a day over fabulous, be as bold as your lipstick, happy birthday, hello beautiful fabulous friend, be your own beautiful, hello fabulous, never come between a girl and her makeup, pull, life is short, bother shoes, glamorous friends. So 24 wonderful sentiments to go along with this collection that I already hauled a couple of months ago, like 3 months ago, I don't remember what it was, set when Sam Colcott came out with that series. Then I got this suitcase die, which is a nice size, as you can see. It comes with the tag and buckles and everything, so you can make a suitcase. And I'll show you. So it's still some weird, some of mine are taped. It's a nice size die. So, you know, to go with that. And so with that, they had an insert, which I bought separate than the bundle because it came out cheaper when it was on sale. But now I think it's that other sale individually has gone off. It's probably cheaper to get the bundle. But when I got it, it was cheaper to get it separately. But these are pieces that you can buy to go inside of this. So you can make this into a suitcase, you know, top and the bottom, excuse me, or just use the bottom tray and you can make it into like a memory deck. So this would be your anchoring piece, and then you have 3 different sizes. of memory decks pieces, and of course this is like a double piece that you can use. Of course, you don't have to use it with this. You can use it with your other memory deck, so you have that as well. And then last but not least, my girls that scrapbook, they're so talented. They was making each other. Sheba and Lisa were making a doctor's bag for each other. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, like I need it. And I wasn't the only one in the group. The other scrappers, we all went online. We all ordered it. So both of them enabled us, but we all ended up buying this set, which is a nice size as well. Big. And you can stuff it full of a lot of goodies. So you see the size of that. You know, it's big. So started to play with that. After I saw their beautiful creations that they swapped with each other, and I was like, yep, and more yep. So that is what I got from Craftstash, and yep, and I was happy to get my order in. So that's all my goodies. I can't wait to play and get some stuff made. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.